And awareness program on water resources data acquisition system and hydroinformatics application under National Hydrology Project was held in Nongstoin West, Khasi Hills on Tuesday. The program was organized by the Office of the Executive Engineer Water Resources Nongstoin Division. The program was attended by officials from Agriculture Department, Social Forestry, DC Office, DCIS Industries, Urban Affairs, Planning, Horticulture, DRDA and the PHE department, as well as headmen from different villages in the district. The chief guest of the program was H.K. Thaba, additional DC West Khasi Hills. Thaba highlighted the importance of water resource management in the face of rising water scarcity. He also called upon all stakeholders to work together to protect and preserve our water resources.